Has stopped, at least for a day, but you probably won't like what's headed your direction. Welcome to Fox 8 News at 4 o'clock. I'm Gabe Spiegel.
And I'm Natalie Herbick. We are looking at some of the coldest temperatures in 2 years. I hate to be the one to say it out loud, with lows in the single digits. Melissa Myers has a look at your frigid first forecast. Hi, Melissa.
That's right, a frigid one indeed. And I also wanted to backtrack and just show you, if you didn't catch it over the weekend, the lake effect snow. A lot of numbers here, but I'm going to circle them in yellow and kind of make it clearer for you. In Euclid, received 18 to 24 inches, 24 to 30 in Chardon, 12 to 18 in Jefferson area in Ashtabula County, and Conneaut got about 18 to 24 inches of snow. And yesterday was more of a widespread, what we call synoptic style snow. And for most of us, it ended up being right around 2 to 4 inches. And then overnight became a little bit of a mix and some rain showers as temperatures warmed a little bit above freezing. So 34 in Cleveland right now, 32 Lorain, a little chillier out to the west, 29 in Toledo, where you have winds that are right solid from around 10 to 20 miles an hour directly from the west. So obviously it feels colder than the actual air temperature. Wind chill 23 Lorain, Akron, Canton, same deal, 24 is what it feels like in Ashtabula. As we're scanning around on this Storm Fox radar, we're just showing you that things are very quiet at this point and just a lot of clouds around and a little on the chilly side, running a little below normal, but more snowflakes are going to be heading in our direction with a pretty strong front. It's going to be a 1-2 punch. The first front will cool us down significantly. The second one will be the coldest air we have felt in quite some time. So let's take a look here as we go through tonight. We're going to stay mainly cloudy to mostly cloudy, and then tomorrow, same deal, starting off maybe a few bright spots in the sky, especially east. And then we'll notice that front coming through with some scattered snow showers will continue through the evening hours, and that could put down maybe a quick coating to an inch. I don't want to completely rule that out, but for the most part, tomorrow's snow showers more nuisance-like. Low 20s tonight, mostly cloudy, and tomorrow snow showers arrive once again. High temperatures running again a tad below normal, highs right around freezing, and then it gets a whole lot colder from there. We'll take a closer look at your 8-day coming up. Natalie and Gabe.
All right, Melissa, thank you very much. We check in again, as she mentioned, back in with her in just a few minutes.
Lots of big news we're following this afternoon. Investigators are working to piece together the events leading up to the shooting death of a local sheriff's deputy.
That shooting happened at a home late Sunday, leaving many around the state devastated. Fox 8 News reporter, a former University of Cincinnati police officer whose murder trial ended in a hung jury, will now be retried next spring. Thanks, Maya.
Still ahead, it's a close call with an important message. Bottom is about to drop out. Something severe. It's comfy right now, 35 earlier today. Winds weren't so bad, but just wait.
That's right. These high temperatures are going into the teens, you guys, and overnight lows dropping close to zero. Last time we had a high temperature of 14, which is what we're forecasting for one day, was actually back in February. So we'll just have to take a look and see if maybe it gets lower than even that. Then it means it's been more than a year, obviously, at that point. This is a look at Chesterland, where it's been a cloudy day overall, and maybe you had a few flurries or snowflakes here. Notice how the plows had to work pretty hard. Boy, out east, some areas did get 24 plus inches of snow. Definitely our first bona fide, basically lake effect snow of the season, and wow, do they feel it out to the east. Otherwise, temperatures have been pretty stagnant, from low 30s to upper 30s and back to the mid 30s, and basically that's been the flow the past 24 hours, where we have these temperatures low 30s, got a 32 Lorain, 34 in Cleveland right now, and winds around 10 to 20, which definitely makes it feel at least colder than the actual air temperature on your thermometer. Feels like 24 in Cleveland, feels like 20 right now in Worcester. And the colder air is starting to work in. Look at this drop off though. We go from 30s to 20s and teens, and a 6 degrees right now in terms of the reading in Minneapolis, where you're 15 degrees colder than this time yesterday. We'll have 2 sweeps coming through, one front and then a second front that really brings about the extremely cold air. Just confirming all is quiet on Storm Fox radar. We had some rain snow mix going on with temperatures that moderated overnight, and we'll be watching these snowflakes with this Arctic blast heading in our direction. Now tomorrow, just a few nuisance snow showers. Could put down a quick coating, maybe a half an inch or so, but this is the first front. But then we really open the doors for the coldest day. We'll show you here coming up on your 8-day forecast, following these frontal boundaries that come in with that reinforcing shot, the second shot. So we're looking at low 20s tonight, mostly cloudy, obviously cold and quiet, and tomorrow still below normal, but nothing like we're going to see here in the next couple of days. So on your Tuesday, low 30s, a few snow showers arriving. It'll be mainly a cloudy day. And over the next 8 days, it looks like this. So we'll have Tuesday. Look what happens to temperatures, 30s to 20s to teens. These are lake effect snow showers going on here. Thursday, the coldest day. And we're forecasting in a high temperature of 14. Last time we had a high of 14 was in February of this year. And then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, a very complex scenario because of those high temperatures. Take a look in there Friday through Sunday.
I don't see any goose eggs on there yet, so that's at least good. But
I saw two
still not
on there
looking
Friday
great. Yeah,
morning.
two's not that far away.
Friday
from it.
morning is going to be a cold one. The coldest morning we had in February was 1, so we'll see if we get there.
Coldest in a
Looking
couple of
forward
years.
to that, Melissa.
I
But
know.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you know I was put on a nice light display of Strongsville? Have you ever been downtown Strongsville? Oh, their
It
lights.
is beautiful. It is beautiful down there. I've
nice.
seen it. It's
Go
magnificent. That's
off
a
of
great light
Royalton
display.
Road.
And you don't have to get out of the car, which is even better.
Even better. Back to your news now. People in Venezuela say the Grinch just stole their children's Christmas toys.
But the Grinch isn't a thief. It's really the government here. A Florida restaurant owner says he won't stop playing Christmas music even after a customer's complaint went viral.
Ebenezer, stay home.
It's a little Scrooge-like, I would say.
Yeah, he says he's a Christian, but he's not pushing his Christian beliefs on everybody. He's just playing
Christmas
music. So,
Yeah, but you can always choose somewhere else to go.
Yeah.
Well, no one was complaining about the Christmas music at a heartfelt holiday tradition.
it's a Christmas celebration for military families who've lost a loved one. All right, time to talk weather, and it's time to pull out all those ugly sweaters. You might not just need one at a time in the next couple of days. You might need to wear 2 or 3.
I don't even want to talk about this,
It's
but I know
bad.
we have to, Melissa.
It is getting bad.
Ooh, it's going to be cold.
That's right. Instead of fashion, start thinking functional, because
Well, that was Fox's Deanna Albritton reporting.
Yeah, Knightstown officials are not commenting on this lawsuit, which calls for the cross to be removed and declared a First Amendment violation. I think he's being a bit of a Scrooge in this situation. I don't think it really, he's
Getting
going a
people
little overboard.
Worked up over in Indiana. Fox 8 News keeping close tabs on developing stories this afternoon, including gas prices going up just in time for the holidays.
Here's Lou Magley.
Tomorrow night, a lot of folks heading downtown. Cavs, Grizzlies. Uh-oh, I want to bundle up.
yeah, it's
Big
gonna-
time.
It'll be cold tomorrow, but it's going to be a whole lot colder on Thursday. You just wait till we see this. Coldest high temperature since February of this year, where we were at that same temperature. So we'll take a look and just see how cold this is going to get.